Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up screen lock password in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to set up your own screen lock password, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you just have to open your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for security and privacy option. Simply tap on it, and here you just have to select your lock screen, and from here you can easily create a new screen lock password. In my case, I'm going to select the pattern, but you can easily select pin password from here. Just select the option which you want, and here you must have to create new password. Once you have, just tap on continue, and here just confirm your password. Once you have that, your password will be enabled. You must have to enable this toggle if you want to show your notification on lock screen. As I'm going to enable that settings, so the setting is enabled. Just select show content, then tap on next option. And your lock screen has been set. Now whenever you have on your lock screen, you must have to enter your password or pattern which you have, and then your screen will be unlocked. So in this way you can easily set up screen lock password in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.